Welcome! In front of me is a Nokia X10 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles from the top of the screen, extend the list, and on one of the pages you should see battery saver. When you do, simply press on it. As you can see, it dims the display, so that's one of the things that it does, and it will also do a couple things in the background that it does not disclose of. So I'm not going to speculate. If Nokia can't bother to give info what power saving mode does, I'm not going to waste my time explaining it. So there we go. So that is how you can enable your power saving mode, and once you're done with it, you can disable it by just tapping on the toggle once more. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.